In the dynamic heart of Dubai, where innovation meets ambition, stands a silent giant. Asia Bolts Industries LLC. The largest fastener manufacturer and supplier in the Middle East, Asia Bolts isn't just a factory. It's the backbone behind some of the region's most iconic structures. Skyscrapers, oil fields, bridges, and power plants, all held together by one critical element, fasteners. And Asia Bolts leads the way. Here, strength is not just measured in tons of steel, but in the precision of every thread, the integrity of every bolt, the commitment behind every delivery. Walk through the gates of Asia Bolts, and you'll step into a world powered by purpose. Massive coils of raw steel arrive daily, transformed in-house through cutting-edge forging, threading, and heat treatment processes. The air hums with machinery. Sparks dance from steel. Every sound, every movement tells a story of transformation. From raw material to precision-engineered fasteners. These are not ordinary bolts and nuts. They are custom-built to endure the toughest environments. From the scorching heat of the desert to the harsh conditions of offshore platforms. Made in compliance with international standards like ASTM, DIN, ISO, and BS, each piece is a testament to uncompromising quality. Innovation is the heartbeat of Asia Bolts. Their fully integrated facility houses the latest in CNC machining, automatic threading, and robotic coating technologies, all monitored by a skilled team of engineers and technicians. Every product undergoes strict quality checks, from tensile testing to hardness measurements. Because when lives depend on your products, perfection isn't optional. It's the standard. But beyond machines and metrics, it's the people who drive Asia Bolts. Decades of experience, a passion for precision, and a dedication to customer satisfaction have earned the company the trust of major industries across the Gulf, Africa, and Asia. With over 40,000 metric tons of annual production capacity and a stock range of thousands of sizes, grades, and finishes, Asia Bolts is ready for any scale, any project, anywhere in the world. And as the world moves toward sustainability, Asia Bolts continues to evolve, investing in greener production methods, waste reduction, and energy efficiency. Because building a stronger tomorrow begins with responsibility today. From concept to creation, from Dubai to the world, Asia Bolts Industries is more than a manufacturer. It is a symbol of strength, precision, and progress. Asia Bolts Industries LLC. Forging the future, securing the present.